Babe.
Eh?
I want to go and ease myself. I'm pressed.
Jesus. Okay, no problem. It's okay.
Where did I see so?
Guy, what's in the worry you now? You blind? You need to check your babe for your front.
For where? True, I'm blind though. I don't know.
You blind? Guy!
Which side, my brother?
Hey!
Fear, I pour you speed.
Hello my people, what's up? It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, please make sure to watch to the very end because you've always been doing it and I really appreciate it. So this should not be an exception. Watch to the very end, subscribe, drop nice comments and share my video. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun. This boy is not getting
Surprise!
Hey. What's all this?
Mommy, why? This is my new Mikado.
Daddy, why? Oh, where's my own now?
It's coming. But for now, we'll be rocking this one together. You know it's Mikado that is always taking care of me. With Mikado, you can trade your old Mikado car for the new one, the latest one. So that my old one, I just want to give them and they gave me the brand new one. That is one of the benefits of having a Mikado car.
Oh, yeah, come inside,
No, come here. I want to quickly do something urgent.
I want to see how sweet this car is.
Umiwa, it's very delicious. In fact, I can talk to it and it will do anything I say it should do.
You run you.
Let me show you magic.
Oh, yeah.
And never see.
Wonder.
Turn off car AC.
AC on. It's working up. Let me try my own.
Go on.
Let's have it.
Open car windows.
Opening all windows.
Hey!
Close that window.
Voila. Ndubaby, come run some 30% for us. We will see.
Madam Afa,
I do.
you get naira?
Yes.
But I'm coming your account, my PC 2K, they urgent.
No, I know they take transfer. It's not be card, they leave them.
Man, I the only card with my body na gift card. Run me your account number, man. Why are you a hazard now?
Okay, if you don't get card, they leave them. I know they do transfer.
Don't trust
But
you.
I don't know me.
And because I sabi you, now I no go even give you. If you don't get card, you leave them. Ndubaby, leave them.
You saw that.
Did I just say Ndubaby?
Can I know my offense?
Are you Ndubaby?
Bro, any challenge?
I've been looking for you all over the nooks and crannies of the environs now.
Are you serious?
They say you are the surest plug to receive international deals. And my brother wants to send me money, $7,000 for my rent that is due. I've been looking for you.
Papa, where did you come active? Oh, now money be this and joy comes in the money.
They said you are Nazamano. I don't want to hear money died in Nazabil. How do you call your slangs? Please, oh.
Baba, listen to me. As long as I be enough people put white thread for need under sun, my money no fit die for Azar.
Okay, I salute your courage, so I'll trust you now. Put the account details here. Let me forward to
Now
you. I've been
listen
looking
to
for
me.
you everywhere. I forwarded to him.
$7,000.
No time. A nice one.
Baba, paste me on Eraza.
Bros, I remember no verse, I beg. They rob us on front. All the whole property inside the bus, they rob and finish. I want to call my brother, we be police for the next checkpoint, I beg, help me, I beg.
You can call me, man, give you my phone. Me wait the middle of transaction. Baba, beg, call your account.
Please help him. He's distressed. Please, a matter of life and death. Please help him.
Baba, don't already open bank app. Call your Eraza now.
Just minimize and help him now. We are all human. Help him, please. I don't want problem. The money is already in your phone. Please help him. Please, we're all human.
Thank you.
Jesus.
Because of you.
Jesus! Where I go?
Even me myself, I shocked. Have you helped him?
Help me! Person to get my phone move.
So what happened to my $7,000 that I sent to you now?
I got what on my iPhone system pin color 256 gig. Okay, be like say the land walk.
Was I the one that told you to stay far from your phone?
Baba, listen to me. There's a person who put food for fire and then they go far from pot. But because of you, I don't go lose guard my kappa. Okay, mind yourself.
My brother, I don't want to know what you're saying. You must devise a means and provide that $7,000. I don't want to shout. I don't want to shout.
Baba, listen to me, oh. There's a person who get big bowl and then they full of shower price for long. Okay? If you follow me price, you go collect them. You the man.
Okay, you safe now, you cause him. If you don't want to give that boy that for you, they beg him. Now the phone don't lost. If they be wanting them for hold you down here, me compensate them for your phone.
Did they just render me homeless or is my imagination?
Okay, come on, if I go shout thief. Come on here, if I go shout thief.
All of you are culprits.
Thief.
Now you, Master, now you Kosa.
This is a man work. You go just follow me around. Anytime we see say my person want do transaction, just come borrow phone from my hand, then you go run. Later we go meet you, share the money.
Sha.
Now here we go the meet oh.
Simple.
It was nice doing business with me. Yeah? They don't run you street.
Hey! Hey! Cha! Hey!
They don't run you street.
Hey! Why as a man go trust to go ni boy? Hey! Me never read.
As a man, they don't run you street.
Baby, you want to learn how to swim because of me?
Yes, now. She be say you like guys that can swim.
Yes.
I'm doing it for you.
That's so sweet.
You will go drown now.
Madam, you don't know. You're the one that wants to learn how to swim, have you?
Oh, no, me. It's my boyfriend.
No, Alana. See, now from that shallow, we will not start. Okay, now shallow, we go start. Now why they start with deep end?
Please save my boyfriend. Save my boyfriend. Please, please, please.
Eh? So who go come save me?
Okay, I thought you're the lifeguard now.
Me now can make sure I stay collect this job. I know Sabi swim.
What are we going to do? What are we going to do?
I ain't go drink and finish now. The water no too plenty.
Jesus!
Mumu.
Jesus!
That's how you cry you.
That's how I die you.
You mumu, eh?
Yeah.
Solo.
Driver, stop on that side, stop on that side. I bet no vessel.
Oh no, I've been waiting for you.
Now my way I can't define since no vessel. Now your baby this.
Yes. Let me help.
Many years ago, when I still there for school, you reach one day, our teacher call everybody.
No more. Bread,
So be saying that tomorrow they come up for my side. Why you can't carry all this back home?
This one is full stuff now.
I put stuff this here. Don't worry, you know they come out again. I go marry you.
Marry me, Kay.
I go use part of this food stuff. Go pay your bike price. Ajay.
Man, no. Because of don't know
Ada. Now where the money for Lagos be this?
It's nice, so.
It's nice.
They try.
Welcome.
Thank you.
That was a brief food combo. So, how is daddy and mommy now?
They are fine, no?
They are come inside.
Next TikTok.
What's going on here?
Let's watch this video. Ada,
Alpha, continue.
I come inside now.
Okay.
I don't see any food. So, I want to ask, the food store where you bring come, when we go start with the chopper?
I keep on for kitchen now.
The food store don't the kitchen.
Go check.
Wait.
God have mercy upon us.
Now the food store where you can't come with this.
I don't understand. Noodles no be food stuff.
Jesus.
Ada, you carry half carton of noodles, come Lagos.
I wonder.
And you know that I told you yesterday night.
You are a backbone.
But we be childhood friends now. We're not supposed to do that kind of thing.
Now you know if you do that kind of thing. You be childhood friends, Abi. So how many noodles there here?
21.
21.
No problem.
One noodles per hour.
Huh?
Continue.
You get 21 hours to come up from my house. Ajay.
I try, I don't try. Please.
Now see the push press house.
Man. What the fuck? How did this woman unlock my phone? Damn it. Shit.
Jesus!
I can never come back. It's already too late. It won't make sense.
wife me. I mean, Momo, could tell me to Badia and all that, you know. But I just feel like, you know, it's illegal, you know, go through a man's phone. An adult, I'm an adult. All my life, Timoloni Ilston, yeah? I knew and I still know that going through someone's phone is illegal. It's my privacy. And can you stop? Wife me, can you stop? You're already crying.
Baby, I'm only seeing a Korean movie on my phone.
Oh, that's your phone?
Yes, my
phone.
phone.
Look at me, look at God. Oh, my phone is here. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I will just
come back here.
Yes. I'm here.
Can I have your phone?
We'll be one handicap.
Chef.
What?
Yeah, help mommy here. Yeah, we sent the Shade last week.
Who's Monica?
It's Monica here. That's Monica. We know mom work mommy.
What? Take this bastard away.
Of course, I'm a fucking bastard. Let's go.
Can you imagine? You take him out to confess.
So, bro, this is where I live, okay? You can feel at home.
Feel at home? Now you go see them now.
You like that?
They don't sweep this place where? Now I call those cleaners. Hey, bro, waiting.
You know they soup by yourself.
He shock you.
He shock you.
So does he finish again?
Jesus.
So Dundee.
You well?
63 hours now where I order food, I never still bring them. And food not in my kitchen.
Which one be food not in your kitchen?
Hey!
She's in a play.
Diaz, I beg give me updates. I want to be like you.
Bro, it's better now. Before a friend promo. Just share your better no referral link to anyone who loves sports betting. Once they sign up and deposit 3,000 naira, you will receive 1,000 naira free bets. And if you sign up with the promo code 50, you will get 200,000 naira welcome bonus and extra free bets.
If I refer one person to deposit 3,000, I will get 1,000 naira free bet. I will come.
Why you bad people come here now? They fit do them online now.
Bro, I like to see their life. Mommy, welcome.
Child!
Why she go see carry bag?
Hey!
Mommy, why you bring bag now? You don't forget, say Astro don't expire.
Hey!
I beg, you get extra room.
Hey! Jesus!
Some kissed you and said, ooh,
I get it.
Babe, I want to go and ease myself. I'm pressed.
Jesus. Okay, no problem.
It's okay. Seriously, not this shit. I want to meet another man.
Where did I see so?
Guy, what's in the worry you now? You blind? You need to check your babe for your front.
For here. True, I'm blind though. I don't know.
You blind? Guy!
Which side, my brother?
Hey! Fear! I pour you spit.
If you trust your girlfriend here, raise up your hand.
That won't be the issue now.
Yes, I get pride. I did rude, yes.
Adulthood.
Nigeria, they see you.
Won't go do adulthood.
Yeah, Buka, waiting I do you. Your mates, they outside there, they hustle, they bring money for their mother, making chop. Hungry won't give me. Go and hustle, I do bad thing, burn you.
Baby, I don't like this thing. I don't like it. Wig that I've been begging you for 4 years now. You cannot even buy for me. How much is the wig?
Young man, where's my husband? I'm losing it. Where's my husband?
Only 4 million naira that I'm asking you to buy for me. You say you cannot buy.
Say, make I don't buy Benz or you day here. What are you doing now? Go hustle.
You need to go buy the Benz now, you know what? Come on, these people don't let me sleep well since.
This property is going for just 690 million naira.
This BM now.
A lot of Lagos, you talk your own.
How your salary won't afford that? My brother, this 2025 BMW X5 is about to pack itself.
Jesus!
There's two adults who would have like this.
You never know anything.
They come off.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Don't play with sand, my brother.
What's a big la?
You know, so the adult will enter.
What's a no be adult I be picking na? What's a big na? Come down. Never reach like that na.
If I open this gate, no matter how you take wrong reach, you must still come back here. If I see you again, eh? Come on here now. And get out.
God help me now that day.
Well, go meet your fellow children.
This young boy may end up going mad.
What is this?
Mugbe one handicap.
Oh, that big. Can go say I run for jail. I don't do na scam. I need to go again. I clean my hand.
Start they play. They play.
They play.
I better give me pure water for there. Cold one, oh.
This man.
Hello.
Ah.
Fine girl. Fine girl. Hello, beautiful.
Bros, you not calling your Piota again?
Hello, fine girl. Fine girl. No vex, I beg. Now just your number I want. Eh? It is fine. I don't think come out my eye. I beg, put your number.
Sorry, I can't remember my number offhand. Just a minute, let me check.
No problem.
Jesus! Oh, bros, see water.
Jesus. Jesus.
You're not calling my number again.
Hey!
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
You never get love for life.
You taking it or not?
Mommy, I cannot take this thing. I cannot take it. Why am I even taking this drug, Sam?
Why won't you take it?
I'm not sick. I beg, why will I be taking drugs?
Why you force your pikin to
Nah,
take
she's
drugs?
forcing me to take drugs, so I don't understand this kind of thing. I'm not even sick, and she's forcing me to take drugs.
Wait till it happen, Mamuka. This one where they force your pikin to take drugs.
See my brother. She not get skill as you dey see am. Now don't wear this thing. They waka. Future hook up. Hey! Now what is she want talk for my house? And I no go accept that one. Now, she send her money make am never learn any skill. Opportunity don't come out. This Wendy glam make off. Fuck off. Take off. Take off. Then they do promote. Which
Okay,
for Transekulu now for New GRA. Before Shekina Glory Johnson here, see the number you can call if you want to register. It's 20,000 naira. I don't carry money. Give her. Say make you go learn skill. What do you talk? Say that one a wolf.
Waiting can they surprise me now? Wait, how this thing take connect to the medicine?
A wolf they purge.
She said a wolf, but a wolf they purge. I give them flagyl. Not be flagyl be this.
Okay, so that in case if she purge.
If the thing purge, I'm making take am. But this opportunity no go pass us by.
This is drug abuse.
No be drug, they give them na medicine now.
Now when you reach station, you can explain better.
I never reach to go.
No, you go. You go. I think this is an evidence.
Okay, come now. This is na me the purge. Na me be one second.
This mamu can na case the guy be in a big case. Hey God, thanks for watching, guys. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do that, and share my video. It is very, very important. Share it to your friends and families, and check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out, my people, and watch them. See you in my next one, guys. Peace and love.